You look at the I already post project, this one, right? I already post this one. It's due in 2 weeks. This one. Okay. Actually, we want to create this one. Single piston engine. This one. Okay. I give you some dimension here. This is a product design. It's not consists of only one single part as usual, right? This product consists of many parts, right? So we call this one is the product design. Sometimes you look at this one. Okay. Sometimes we call product design. Product design. And sometimes we call it assembly design. Most of the time we call assembly design. Most of the time called assembly design. It means that you have more than one part and you want to assemble them together, right, to form a products. And you can also doing kinematic motion animation, let's say. Okay, something like this one. For example, let's see. For example, this one. Project, this one. You have this one. Okay, you have this one. And you also want to see. Add this one, you see. If you want to design this one, you can add this one. Single piston, this one. Okay, so in this case, there consists of many parts, right? In this case, there are about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 simple parts combined together. Assembly together, have this one. Okay, so that's the main thing of this one, of these topics. This one. Okay, we call assembly design. There are 3 modules that we're going to use. There are 3 modules. Okay, one is assembly design module. This one, assembly design module. Okay, the other 2 is mechanical system design module. And the third one, mechanical system experience. Right? This is mainly for assembly design or product design. Product design. If you don't want to do any simulation, any animation, you don't need these two. But sometimes you want to check your model is validate or not. You have to use some of this module as well. Mechanical system design and mechanical system experience. Okay. But main for assembly design is this one. Is this module. Okay. So mainly, you have to understand this one first. Let's see. Okay. If you have, let's see. Let's see. You see what is mean by joy. Let's see, you have a robot, any mechanism to link, let's say this is a link 1, let's say this is a link 2. Okay, let's see. Link 1 and link 2, let's say. These two links we need to create a joint. Right? So joint is a component that we need to connect two links together. There are many types of joints anyway. There are many types of joints. For example, look at this one. You see? Let's see. This one, this link 1, this link, this link, and the other link, right? The link number 1, 2, 1. The red one is linked, and this is connected by joint. This is a joint. Right? This is a joint. So joint is mainly to connect two links together. Okay? Look at this one. This link also, this link, the same link this one, right? Can also connect with this link. Right? This link also connect with this link to join this one. This is a joint. Right? So there are many types of joint. This one is like a rotary joint anyway, or fixed. This one is fixed one. This one fixed to this one. This joint is fixed, this one and this one together. Okay, so there are many types of joint anyway. Okay? So look at this one. See? You need to create joints, create simulation, replay, perform analysis, and using law, whatever convert assembly to constraint. So let's see. You have this one. You have this component. This is a leveling device. Let's see. This is a leveling device. Leveling device, right? Let's see. You have this one on top of this one. This one will be on top of this one, and that one also on top of this one, right? So how to connect those components together? This one, this hole and this hole have to be aligned. this whole รูนี้กับรูนี้ต้องตรงกัน has to be aligned นะฮะ something like that so it's a leveling device if you move this one this one go up and down the leveling device okay for example this one okay this is a leveling device. Let's see. After you connect, you have this one. If you turn screw here, it will move up and down. You see? If you turn screw here, up and down. You see? It means that this link, look at this one. This link and another one link as well. Connect to the joint. This is a joint. We call it prismatic joint or sliding joint. Right? This one also, this link and this link connect to joint as well. Okay? And look at this one. If you want to move up and down, it means the center of this one and the center of the bottom one, this hole, and top will be lining, right? This one. Okay. So how many joints? Yeah, there are many type of joy. How many type of joy? Look at this one. There are many type of joys. Many type of joy. The basic joys we have level joy. Right? Let's say you have link here, and this rotate with this one. This rotate. Right, rotate. So this one we call level joints. See, rotation and command variable. How many degree of freedom? Degree of freedom. So it can move only 1 degree of freedom, right? This one. See, this 1 degree of freedom, right? And this can be command. Yeah, this angle. You can command this one. If you add motor there, right? You attach motor here. You can command this one, right? Command in terms of angle, right? Angle, so that this one can be rotated, right? This one can be rotated, right? Okay, so this is like a very basic joint, level joint, right? When you have prismatic joint or sliding joint, same meaning. Sliding joint. Let's say you have a block here. And you have another object here on top of this one. Right? And this sliding along this joint. Sliding. So this is a prismatic joint. Auto translate, right? Direction is D. Right? Translate, right? And you can put linear motor here as well. You can assign linear motor, right? This one, so that this is going to be moved, right? So it can be command anyway, command in terms of length, right? This one. Cylindrical joint. Look at this one. Look at this cylindrical joint. It's a little bit more complicated now. You have let's say you have a lot in collar. Let's see. For example, if you have this one, and you have another one here. Right? This one. See? You have cylindrical joint in this case, mean that this one can be up and down, right? Translate, right? Translation, and also can be rotated, right? So in this case, there's 2 degrees of freedom for this cylindrical joint, right? Both of them can be used as a command. You can attach motor so that you can control this one, or you can attach motor. This attached linear motor, the attached rotation motor. You can also give the command and go, right? So that this one can be rotated. Right? For example, this one has 2 degree freedom, and both of them can be used as a command. The command means that you can put actuator there. Actuator. Command of actuator. Right? Some of them spherical, don't have a motor. Look at this one. If you have joint like this, this one is free rotation, and you cannot add any command there. No. So in that case, you cannot add command. We can call active joint and passive joint. Let's say we have active joint and passive joint. Active joint means you have actuator. Passive joint, it means no actuator, no command in this case. Actuator. For example, in this one, if you don't have motor attached to this one, you have freedom to move this one, right? This one we can call it like a passive joint. But one if you have control there, we call it active joint. Okay. For example, this one. Look at this one. You see, in this case, we do have only one actuator here. See, only one actuator here. We attach motor here, right? And move this one. All the other joint is a passive joint. All the other joint are passive joint. This sliding, right? This one. See, this we rotate this one. And the other joint, this joint, all passive joint. Okay. Sometimes you cannot add more than one joint. I mean, not active joint. For example, let's see if you have a joint like this one. Let's say if you have 4 bar linkage here. This way. If you want to rotate this one, in this case, you can fix this one, right? Fix this one, and you rotate this one. In this case, you can select just only one of these joints to be active joint. For example, you add motor here. This one you can rotate, right? You cannot add more than one. If you add this one and also you want to add this one, no. In that case, no way. Okay. So I have only one active joint can be available for this one. Okay. Okay. I just do one of this one. Just saw some model here. Look at this one. See? This boba, you see this boba. This is an active joint, right? This one. See? Yeah. The less, you just add actuator here. Add actuator for this link, right? This one. And the other, just follow this one, it's a boba. You can add more than one in this case. Huh? มันเขาเรียกว่าอะไร over actuator ขัดกัน okay so you have this one so many joy here look at this prana joy as well you see prana joy non non-actuated as well. You have plane here. You have an object. Let's see, object here. Move. Okay, yeah, along this prana joint, this prana. Only it had to be what? Coincident. This plane and this plane only has to be coincident. Okay. Prismatic joint, level joint, prana joint, cylindrical joint, spherical joint. Rigid is mean you want to attach two components together. Let's say you have this component and I want to fix this one together. You have rigid. Okay, rigid joint เหมือนกับคุณเชื่อมเลยใส่กาวเลยนะครับ right? You have this one spherical joint, right? I mean cylindrical joint, right? This one, just you have this one, right? This one. Okay. Okay. Cylindrical joint, you have this motion and also this rotation, right? Like theta, right? These are spherical joints. What happens if you have screw joint? Screw joints mean that in this case you see you have only rotation on translation. It means that D and theta has some relationship. Depend on theta, right? In that case, you reduce one of the degree of freedom. You can control this one, or you can control this one. Control D or control theta because D and theta have relationship, right? So you can command by angle or you command by length, right? Okay. So this is the joints. So you need to assign joint. Let's say if you design product design, assembly design, or product design, right? Okay. Assembly design. It means that you have more than one component, right? More than one part, and how to connect those parts together. We call assembly mating. Assembly mating or assembly relationship. Sometimes we call assembly constraint. Right? So assembly constraint, how to connect those parts together. Right? Or mating. Yeah, it can be slider, prana, prismatic, something like that. This is assembly constraint. So joints. Okay? Okay. That's the main thing that I would like to mention. let's see if I want to design a 4-bar linkage. Let's see if I want to design 4-bar linkage. Okay, for this one, we just have a 4-bar linkage here. We do have this one. Let's say I want to design this one. Let's say. Let's say I do simple one. Let's say we do have this one. And want to rotate this one, something like this one. The simple one. Okay. So first of all, you need to have all these mechanisms. We have 4 parts, right? Okay. So you need to create one of them. See, I just create a lot here, link lot here. Okay, just simple one. You have to create this one first. I mean, any dimension anyway. Okay, so you have this one, right? You have link lot this one in your workspace, in your library anyway. Okay, so how to connect, how to assign. I mean, make relationship so that we have this mechanism. Okay, so first of all, let's see, you have to have this one, right? You have to have this one. Okay, okay. So I will show you how to do assembly. First of all, you have this module. You have this module, assembly module. This one, assembly design, right? This one. I just call this module. Just call test 4-bar. You see, when you come in, you see, you look at this one, CATIA assembly design. Right? We are working on CATIA assembly design. Look at this one. Okay, and the name of the assembly file is test _4 _bar. This one, right? First of all, I need to bring in the import part. Our is link, right? Link lot, right? So I can do this one. You see, I want to import, right? You have to do this one. You have insert here. ดูให้ดีนะดู insert here. Insert here, right? There are 2 parts, upper part and the lower part. This one, the lower one is all existing. It means that you already have it, right? For example, existing product or existing part anyway, same. It means that you have link lot, right? Available in your workspace, right? I said insert existing product. You just key in link lot, let's say, and just bring in this one. Boom. Now it's coming, right? See, and the link lot is here, and so that you have compass here. This compass actually can be used to move part. If you don't want to use move part, you just what? Move this thing back to this. There's a dot there, right? Okay, so this part is inside this workspace, right? This one. You can move this one. You say, if I select this one, attach to this one, I can move, right? You see, I can rotate, right? This one, see? This one, Okay. I recommend, you see, the first part probably maybe try to use the base. I said, this is on my base. I want to fix this one. One, I think your mechanism should be have at least one fix. Okay? So you insert this one, right? already inserted. I want to inform software that we have to fix this one. Okay, how can we do this one? You look at this one, assembly inside this one, engineering connection, right? Engineering connection, right? You remember this one? This engineering connection, this one, right? See, this is a okay, because this engineering connection, this one, this is the engineering connection. One of them you see over there, there's a fix here, right? Fix here. Across this one. Engineering connection, this one. I fix here. You see, let's say I want to fix this one. I want to fix this one. Select this one, fix, and select the component. You see, the bottom one is a select product, right? I just select this one. Okay, so engineering connection appear and inform that fix dot one is linked. This link is fixed. Okay, you have a LED icon here. If you want to let them gone, you just refresh or update. Okay, now it's fixed. You cannot move anymore. You cannot move. You see, you cannot move because it's already fixed. Okay. You see. Next, I want to bring in the same one. This one, right? So I have in the assembly level here, I just also insert this one, existing product, link lot, this one, okay, bring in this one, okay, is now here. See, I can move this one, rotate this one, right? Okay, this one, okay, this is another one. Okay, I can bring another one to be checked now. Suppose we already have this one, right? We just use this one, insert existing product, right? Instead of searching this one, I just select one of these. Boom. Okay, now over there. You see? You see? See? So if you already have link, you can choose this one to reinsert. Okay, so let's see, I have this one fixed. ดูเทคนิคนี้นะ ผมไม่พูดมากนะ เดี๋ยวมีสกิลเช็คไง We fix this one. Now I want to connect this one with this one. Right? I want to connect this one with this one. Actually, this one and this one we connect by using level joint. Level joint. Chỉ mớiติดช้ามากผมต้องปิดไปนะอันนี้ทำให้ระบบช้าเรียกใหม่ This one and this one will use level joint. Level joint. Okay, level joints. So what does it mean by level joint? In this case, you see you have, I want this center and this center to be aligned, right? And also I want this face and the face behind this one to be coincident as well. So align and coincident are the same. Okay, so I want to assign, let's see. Okay, connection, right? You have to go to this connection again. You see engineering connection. Actually, you can use revolve, revolute, cylindrical, prismatic, many of them in this case. But I want to show you from this one first. Okay, this is like a template. In this case, I want it revolute, right? But I want to insert manually by not using these revolve joints. Okay, I do engineering connection. This one, select this one. You have this one, this menu. Inside this one, the connection type, there are many of them. The one is similar to the one shown in PowerPoint presentation. This one. The one, the default one is user defined. I try user defined anyway. Let's say I use user defined. We do have constraint here, contact, coincident, offset. Many of them. If you have more, you have many of them, right? This one. In this case, you see, I use user defined anyway, but I want to align this one with this one, right? First of all, I need coincident, right? They are asking for axis. You see, the first one will be moved to the second one. That is default. But in this case, you don't have to worry because we fix this one. But if you don't fix, the first one we move to the second one. Okay, coincident, right? I just select surface here. Any surface, you see the line. You see, automatic center line. This one. The other one is this one. You just select this one. See, now it's moved. Align the center, right? The other one, I want to have this face connect to this face, right? You can use contact, or you can use. You see, one you select this one, right? Cylindrical, right? This one, it changed this user defined to cylindrical. เปลี่ยนเป็น cylindrical อัตโนมัตินะเห็นปะ But if you assign more, let's say add this one. I want this space coincident with this space. Boom. Okay, it change automatic to evolve. You see, level of joy. You see. Okay, so let's say okay, I have this one. They said just ask, do you want to check crash or not? Yes. Okay. So you have this one. Right? Look at this laser level of joy, this one. You see, level of joy, what between link 2 and link 1. 2 and 1, this one, right? If you want to rotate a little bit for this one, it's okay because you didn't put any constraint, you can move this one. Right? See, you have this one. Okay? Next. Okay, I want to add this one. Let's say, I can add this one. Set the joint between this one, these two, right? Actually, let me do this one. You will find out something wrong with this one, but I just try this one. See, first of all, I try to move this one. Sorry. I move this one a bit further this way. See? Try to make it close to the joint that you want to assign. Okay? Okay, next, I want to do the same. Right? Between these two joints, these two links, I will create a little joint between these two ones. See? Similar, right? Using this engineering connection, right? And coincident as well. This one and this one, right? The first one we move to the second one, right? And coincident again, this space and this space. Okay? Okay. So that's all okay for this one. Yes. Okay. Next, I bring in another one. Just insert existing. Just call in this one. See? Here. Okay. This one. I want to align this one. Same, similar, this one with this one, right? Okay? Okay, connection. Coincident. Select face this one and this one as well. Okay. Also, coincident, add one more. Coincident, this one and this one. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Next, this one as well, right? So these two as well. This one. Coincident. I want to move this one to this one, right? And coincident again. This one to this one, right? Okay? Okay. Yes. Okay? See? Once you update this one, you come back to this one. Okay? So you have this one. Okay? So you have little joint here between these two joints and little joint here between these two joints. Little joint here between these two, and also this one between this one. Okay? And this one fixed. This one fixed. Okay? This one fixed. Right? So look at this one. If you want to check this one, look at this one. I'll just move this one to let's say to this link. This one was select, right? And you move this one, you see you have this one. So you feel that you are correct in this case, right? You see, if you want to do just only assembly, that's all. If you don't want to do any animation, kinematic simulation, this one just okay. Okay, and the way we try this one, because we want to check whether we are doing correct or not. And we want to reposition as well แล้วต้องปานวางตำแหน่งมาด้วยใช่ไหมแล้วก็เลื่อนอย่างนี้ไปนั่นเองใช่ไหมอะไรอย่างนี้ก็เสร็จละ If you want just only assembly, okay. But if you want to do more simulation, you need to, because all these joints are passive joints. ใช่ไหม joints are passive joints. If you want to move or move by themselves, you need to add active joint. For example, you need to add motor there, one of them, only one of them. You move motor, only one of them. You can assign command to that motor, it can be rotated. Okay? Okay, so I just stop here anyway. After I want you to try this one first. Okay. First of all, you need to create any joints. รูปลักษณะอาร์มแล้วกันง่ายๆนะฮะเขียนมารูปนะฮะ and you try to don't forget we just use only Cartier assembly design only this one right ลองดูIf you finish this one, next one, I want this one. Okay. We have 4 components, this one, this, and that. All the dimension is in the assignment, workshop assignment, workshop SB, slider crank. We will give you a lot of, all the dimension in inch more. Inch, okay? You have base here. You have base. You have connecting rod. This connecting rod. And this is a crank. This is a rod. This is a box. Okay, we will have give you base, right? This base. Base for this one. So it's better to name it like a slider base. Slider base. So it can be easier to remember base. Okay? Okay. And this crank. This slider crank. Okay? Okay, this rod. Slider rod. Okay? Better the design, okay? Video animation, and this is a box, this one. Box. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? The thickness is 0.25 thickness. So you need to create 4 of these. Okay? And I will show you how to do this one later on. Anyway, first try this one first. เลยนะ
ที่ผมสร้างมาเป็นดีไซน์ผมอยากจะเอามาใส่ในดิจิทัลดีไซน์เพราะว่ามันสวย
อ่ะกดปุ่มขวาไม่ดิเป็นที่นี่ดิแต่ที่คุณอยู่ใน Assembly Design ใช่ไหมโอเคเอา insert insert existing แล้วตั้งชื่อไฟล์ search ก่อน key กับชื่อไฟล์ก็เรียกมาเลยเกิดตรงไหนอ่ะไหนไหน
เกิน4ของแสดงว่าหลังจากนี้ก็จะวันหนึ่งเรามีขายอะไรใช่ไหม
อะไรแบบนี้ครับ
Assembly Design เนี่ยก็คือวางแต่
Assembly แบบ
ก็
เอาเรียกว่า Assembly เลย
ใช่ มันดูง่ายดีขี้เกียจทำงาน
Assembly
Simple and easy
เราเรียกว่า Assembly
สุดแล้วก็ต่อไปเรื่อย
อะไรเซอร์ติฟิเคต์ล่ะไม่โดนมา
ๆใช้เพื่อรีโมท
ไอ้ตัวนี้มันนอนอยู่เฉยๆอ่ะโดนมาเฮ้ยคุณจะให้โดนคุณจะให้โดนใช่ไหมตอนนี้มันยังไม่โดนอะไรคุณเลือกมันก่อนดีอันนี้โดนแล้วตอนนี้คุณอยู่ที่ตรงนี้ที่ฐานนี้จะเลื่อนอยู่ข้างบนตรงนี้ คุณดูนะเวลา see do na you have S&P this is S&P level I did S&P 5 right S&P I did part part นะเพราะฉะนั้น if you want to move part you have to get to be in this level ต้องอยู่ที่ level นี้นะ double click ที่นี่ให้ต้องอยู่นี่ถึงจะเคลื่อนที่ได้เงินนั้นได้ถ้าคุณเข้าไปอยู่ในนี้จริงๆอยู่นะในลิงก์เนี่ยพวกนี้นะสามารถแก้ได้หมดถ้าคุณเข้ามาปุ๊บคุณไม่ชอบคุณเข้ามาที่เนี่ย you can modify if you want นะฮะอยู่แค่ความ modify นี้แต่ตอนนี้เราอยู่ในลิงก์อยู่ในพาร์ทนี้เห็นป่ะเราอยู่ในพาร์ทนี้นะพาร์ทที่ชื่อว่าลิงก์เนี่ยใช่ป่ะเมื่อเราออกมาสมมติว่าเราออกมานะกลับมาอยู่ที่ assembly you just assembly this one อันนี้ถึงจะขยับได้คุณจะลองดูจะขยับเนี่ยใช่ไหมฮะถ้าคุณอยู่ในพาร์ทในนี้คุณขยับไม่ได้นะเพราะอยู่ในพาร์ทเลเวลไม่ได้ขยับเลยมันเข้าใจป่ะ you have to be this assembly level I suggest you to model this one first. Yeah. 4 component.ไอ้ข้างหลังอะทำจริงๆอย่าไปเอารูปเก่ามาเดี๋ยวตอนนี้จะไม่เป็นแน่นอนจริง This is a very good start point anyway ผมแนะนำให้คุณทำนี้ก่อนนะจริงๆ so that you understand how to add all these engineering connection just simple one I mean. Now you say if you don't know how to put animation, just recommend you this one. for this project if you cannot do this one ถ้าคุณ simulation ไม่ได้นะครึ่งหายไปแล้วนะต่อให้คุณเขียนภาพมาถูกอะไรเนี้ยนะถ้าคุณทำนี้ไม่ได้นะครึ่งหนึงหายไปแล้วไหนครึ่งอยู่ที่ simulation แต่พวกที่ได้40คุณจะเริ่มหายลดไปเรื่อยๆเดี๋ยวดูถ้าคุณไม่ได้ทำตามผมบอกให้ก็ดูเลยอันนี้คือข้อสอบไฟนอกอันหนึ่งให้ก็ดูเลยแค่นี้ if you want to change color of material, this one, you can do this. Let's say I want to change color. Look at this one. You see inside part, right? ในแต่ละ part เนี่ย you see inside part. You want to modify part. You just go to part body, this one. Double click this one, and you can go inside that part, right? But if you want to change color, look at this one. There are two things. There are two places that you can change color. This one, if you want to change color for this one, here, third button, property, and color. This one, you see. Let's say I put this one color. You put this color. This color is just temporary. It's just temporary. When you save this one and you call up, all this color will be gone. Okay, if you change this one, just for temporary use. If you want more permanent, you have to go to inside part body, this one. Okay, body, this one, and you go to property, and you see color here, and you can change color. Right, okay. If you change one of these, it will be change all of them, because all of these are come from the same file. Okay. See. See. All there is. But you change this one, you just for temporary, individual. Okay. Change color this one, because all of them are come from the different part. Just go there and change the body color.